Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a updated room tour. I asked you guys on my Instagram what videos would you guys would like to see next. A lot of you guys were telling me how much I changed my room, so I should do an updated room tour, and I thought like, wow, like that's brilliant. After my room transformation, my walls were looking a little like bare, and I didn't know like what direction I wanted to go in, and I wasn't really like satisfied with my room, so I tweaked things and I changed things up. I also got Chanel, so it changed a lot of things in this room, and now I can say I'm so happy with my room. It's like my sanctuary, it's like my place, it's like my man cave, like my woman cave I should say. Any items that I mentioned in this video will be listed in the description box down below just to help you guys out, and also that transformation video will also be in my description box. With that being said, you guys already know what the fuck to do. Go ahead and press that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for all of the support. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so starting behind the door when you come in, here is just a gray mirror that I actually got, I believe, from Home Goods. I believe it was like $15.99. Hello, by the way. I do really recommend one of these mirrors in your room. It really helps with pictures and just outfits and all of that stuff. A mirror like this is always required in my room. I've gone through so many of these, it's crazy. Like I had a pink one, a purple one, I had a white one. Moving on this way, as you can see right below my light switch, just put these like maybe like a week and a half ago. These are from Shein. It came in a pack of 2 and they had like 10 each, so 20 of these for only like $3. Is not that bad, and I just chose the white ones. I put 2 here, one for my keys, and I always just want to hang up my necessities before I leave the door. They have them in all different colors as well, and they're really simple. They come with a self-adhesive, so you literally just stick them on, and they haven't moved since. Anyways, moving on, here is my famous vanity you guys always freaking ask about. I have a video up on my channel of me decluttering and organizing and showing you guys an actual tour of everything that's inside this vanity, and I know that's been a highly requested video, so I did do that for you guys. Say hi to my fur baby. Look at her. I love when she does that with her paw. Mama, what you doing? Hi. This is Chanel, if you don't know. Now you know. The cutest dog to ever live. Hi, Mamash. Oh yes. But yeah, I really love this vanity. In my room transformation, I literally show you guys me picking up all the pieces and putting everything together. As you guys know, this is a vanity from IKEA. I bought the drawers separate and then the tabletop separate, put it all together and just made a homemade vanity. Super easy, super simple. So if you guys want to see that, I'll leave it right here or right here. On this corner, I have like a little IKEA plant. I always get my candles from Marshall's, Bath and Body Works, or Home Goods, or TJ Maxx, or any place like that, because they're really inexpensive and they smell so good, and plus they're so like aesthetically pleasing. I have a little mirror right here, and then here I have my MacBook, which is what I edit on, my makeup brushes, and another plant from IKEA. It's a fake plant, but you guys get it. So here's where things change, because when I did my room transformation, I did not have a TV, nor did I have like all of the frames that I have now, nor did I have a dog. This right here is a 32-inch TV. It's a smart TV, and I don't have cable, so I literally watch Hulu, Netflix, Disney Plus, and YouTube, and literally like all of those kind of things. I bought this a week ago. It's a monthly calendar, and I really wanted it for a long time. I seen it at Home Goods, and I'm the type of person that has to have things organized. Like guesswork is not for me. I have to organize and plan, so I decided to get this. This was only $20 and I'm obsessed with it. I went ahead and just hanged it in the middle of this wall, and it looks perfect, honestly. It also helps me a lot with clients and remembering any sponsors that I have to do. I'm one that's very forgetful. Right under the monthly calendar, I do have Chanel's toy bin. I bought this the same time that I went to Home Goods to buy the calendar. This was $12, which is not bad at all. It's so freaking cute. I kept passing it and I was like, no, I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. And then my boyfriend was like, yo, you keep eyeing it. And I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna get it. So I just went ahead and just got it, and I put it right here. It goes perfect. It is gray with stripes. So I do have the same curtains as last time. Nothing has changed with the gray and the lace, but I don't think in my room transformation I had these lights, but I did buy these lights off of Amazon. I really do recommend them for the simple fact that when I got these lights, a month later the remote stopped working out of nowhere, and I was able to email them and they had sent me a brand new whole set of lights. And when you buy from them, there is warranties, so that's pretty good. These are the ones that you can cut and place in different areas, and this is the 16 feet one. Fun fact, I bought this bed frame and it was all wood, and I went ahead and painted it white, and it only came out to 50 bucks. You guys know me and you're my OG supporters. You know that this was not how my room used to look. I used to have a really pink, girly, Barbie doll, kiddish room. These are from Home Goods, and I believe this whole thing cost me 60 or maybe like 40. I don't remember. And moving over, I have the same keep trying, keep moving, keep inspiring, keep helping, keep believing, keep dreaming, keep hoping, keep loving. You got this. I have that frame, and that was from Marshall's on clearance for $5. What a steal. I know, I love me some Marshalls. And then here is my dresser. I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask where I got this from, and I did get this from Wayfair, which I'm so freaking mad about. Did not know about everything that was going on and what happened with Wayfair beforehand, before buying this. If you know, then you know, but I didn't have this dresser before. I had to get this dresser for the simple fact that I got a dog and I did not have space. Or I had like a dresser that was really long and it literally took up all this space. So I didn't have any room for Chanel, obviously. So I decided to get this one. It was $130, I believe. And here I have a fake plant, which brings me life. I freaking love plants, and I don't know since when, but I guess I'm growing. Surprise, surprise. It's also from Marshall's, and it was $8, which is not bad at all. It looks so freaking real. I'm obsessed. Chanel loves to nibble on my ear, and she takes out my earrings. So I lost my back piece, and now I just have one earring sitting here. I don't know what to do with it. And then here I have coasters, just not to mess this up and not to make this like bubbly or anything when I have drinks here. So I just have some yellow coasters. These are from my mom. I literally just stole 2 from her. She has these in the living room. Here is my favorite candle. It's sea salt melon, and I did get it from Marshall's as well. Then I have my glasses, which I'm not gonna be a forward eye bitch anymore. I'm gonna have contacts in about, I think, a few weeks. So I'm very excited about that. And then here I have my humidifier, which I put essentials oils in. I put lavender, peppermint oil, eucalyptus. This one is from Amazon, and I believe it was like 16 bucks, 17. And it has like a LED light, and I really love it. When I was going through like my asthma stage, when the seasonal allergies would come, it really helps me. I literally put peppermint in there, and that was that. Moving on to Chanel's area, right here I just have a canvas from Crown and Paul, which I love. I did mention it in my last video, but I'm just gonna mention it again. I freaking love this portrait of her. Like, can you guys even see like the detail in her face? She looks exactly like this. This was her when she was 3 months. I love it, and she does as well. You can go ahead and use my code Muaanais if you would like to go ahead and save off some money if you guys would like to purchase a canvas for your fur baby or your fur kitten. So as you guys know, in this area I did have a really big cage. It was a 36-inch cage, and it came out really far. I knew that I wasn't gonna crate train her for her whole life. I really wanted her to be able to like walk around the house and, you know, be free. I only wanted the crate for when she was a really tiny puppy, so that I can start training her right and disciplining her as well. Around a month and a half ago, I ended up collapsing her cage. Took my little ass to TJ Maxx, and I went to go get her a big girl bed because her bed that she had was only 24 inches, and she's huge now, so she doesn't even fit when she lays down. So I had to get her a 36-inch bed, and then this is her little blanket that she can't sleep without. This right here is the Pooch Planet bed. She's 5 months. She eats a lot more, so I had to get her big girl bowls, and also she grew really tall, so to make it more better for her, I decided to get one of these bowls with like the stands. This was from Marshall's as well, and it was only $10. Like, what? And they're so cute. They have the paw in the middle, and it says feed me, and the other one says thirsty. So yeah, that's her little area that she got going on. So moving from her area, these are my 3 closets that I use to store all my clothes, all my makeup, and all of that stuff. So I'm not gonna go in and show you guys exactly what's in there because it's a fucking mess. But on the other hand, I do have this like little cute coat hanger with some like little jewels on the top or whatever. I just have Chanel's harness here from when she comes in from outside, and then I have her extendable leash, which I got from Amazon, her collar, and her flea and tick collar. That's really it for my room tour. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know it's probably short, but it's a room tour. I don't know like what else to say besides showing you guys the things. You guys really seem to enjoy these kinds of videos. I can see like a huge difference in views and people when I post these kinds of videos, and I honestly love doing these videos as well. So if you have any other suggestions, make sure to go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. I'm always listening to you guys, and your wish is my command. So let your girl know down below what videos she should do next. I love you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye.